follow, 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 follow me dey go. This year, good news, giant plenty money. Go dey follow, 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 follow me dey go. Everything I be wanting, manifesting for my life. Everything you be wanting, manifesting for your life. Even before you call me, yes, I pray. My Baba, you to show me the fruit for you. Even before you call me, yes, I pray. My Baba, you to show me. Hello guys, a happy new year, and we pray that this year should be filled with so much blessings, and that's why I'm bringing up to you this song, all right, this year, Blessings by Thompson. So enjoy it and get the full piano tutorial of the song, guys. All right, so if you are new in this channel, on this channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and God will bless you, and you hit the notification button for more videos each time I upload new videos. Okay, so let's go into the video proper. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go straight forward to the tutorial of the song. So okay, so remember the song is in the key of C, okay, and we are playing the key of C as well. So it's a simple chord progression, guys. So the chord progression is just, it's just the 6 A minor. We have the 5, which is G major. That's C in key C, and we have the 4th, which is F major. All right. So I'm playing inversions. Okay. So this is the 6. This is the 6. I'm playing the first inversion of the 6. So the first inversion is this. All right. This is the 5, G major. I'm playing the first inversion, which is this, and the 4th. Right, the first inversion of the 4th is this. All right, so I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna start with everything I have been wanting. So you're going. All right, so 6 4 6 5 4. Everything I've been wanting for, manifesting for my life. Okay. Everything you'll be wanting, manifesting for your life. Okay, so when you do that, then I'll play this year. Okay, same chord progression. This year, blessings, money. Okay, so when you do that, so you're starting this year. All right, this year with the 4th. All right, so this year on the 4th, that's F major. This year, blessings, you remember the blessings. All right, so this year, blessings, money. All right, money. You can come back to the 6, money, testimony. Come to the 5, testimony. All right, so I'm taking it again. Okay, this year, blessings, money, testimony. Go to follow you they go. All right, follow you they go. Okay, again on the 4th, this year, good news, jaya, plenty balling. Go to follow you they go. All right, yeah. Okay, so everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my life. Everything you've been wanting, manifesting for your life. Yeah, so same, the chord progression applies throughout the songs. So guys, so you can use the same chord progression, all right, on this part. Even before you call, you don't. So it's before you call, you don't answer prayer. My Papa, you too sure, you know fit for your hand. Even before you call, you don't answer prayer. My Papa, you too sure, you know fit for your hand. All right, so you do that, and that's all about the song, guys. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button. God bless you.